Hey guys, more innovations back for another video. Look what I've been doing. This is that Versi cutter that I showed in the previous video. Here's all the shavings off it. I've been working on the BSA. This is a 220cc governed engine. 220, that's about I'd like to think 7 to 8 horsepower, maybe a bit more. This engine has quite a nickname, the old thumper we call it, because it shakes around a lot, you know, when it's running. It's got a bit of an oil leak just here, but that's alright. She works good. I need to get a new governor spring for it, because this is obviously not the original ones. Just some modified ones that I've found. Here's the throttle controller. I think that's what you'd call it. Maybe not. But yeah, I just cut up these strips. And this is Briggs & Stratton blower housing. There's one. There's the other blower housing down there. Off cut. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to get this fuel tank, which by the way is made out of copper. And that sounds a bit weird. And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to keep this existing copper fuel line. I'm going to route it through here, through the gap there, which is where it normally goes. But then just before it, I'm going to have like a, you know, a little short length going from that to this fuel tap, because it doesn't, this tap accepts rubber fuel line, not other metal stuff. So I'm going to have to clean up all these little shavings. Oh God, help me, this is going to hurt my hands a lot, because they're sharp little spiky horrible things. Yeah. Alright, I'll get back to you once I start doing this. And yeah. Alright, so I've got her mounted. She seems pretty sturdy. I've hooked up the fuel line and stuff already. Got a fuel tap on there. That seems to work. Copper fuel tank, copper fuel line, carburetor. No muffler. It's going to be loud. She always was a loud old girl. I already put fresh oil in it a couple of months ago. I think. Yeah, it hasn't been ran in ages. Yeah, it's pretty clean oil. Not very much in there, but it'll be fine. So now I gotta go and scavenge some petrol. And yeah, I want to tighten up the carburetor bowl because it has a tendency to vibrate loose over time. Hopefully this won't leak either, because that always used to leak. I'll put some thread tape or something on there. Yeah, we'll be getting ready to fire this old girl up for first time in ages. There is no kill switch. This is the kill switch here. But because this thing hasn't got points in it, I put an ignition module in there under the flywheel, and that's replaced, and I haven't bothered to wire up the kill switch yet, so I'll get to that. And yeah, so yeah, I always follow the starting procedure that they provide. Turn the petrol on, close the strangler, isn't that, you mean choke, trust British people, in half, close the slow throttle lever, so that'll probably be this thing, rather than rev it full bore when she's cold. Turn it clockwise until resistance is felt. Compression's already there. And then, oh, you turn it anti-clockwise. Okay, run both around and give her a sharp pull, and yeah. So I'm not sure what oil's in there. I think it has that Castrol GTX 15 weight 40 oil in it. and none of that is recommended here, but it'll be fine because it will be above 32 degrees Fahrenheit. That'll be about what it gets here. So 40, don't know what that means. SAE 40? I don't know. BSA motorcycles, Birmingham. Yeah, alrighty, so we'll get her down onto the floor down over there and get some gas in her and give her a pull. See how she runs. This thing usually is pretty good for cold starts. She usually starts up second pull, which is always nice. Alright, so yeah, I'll get back to you. Alrighty guys. Yeah, she's all ready to go. Fuel leaks included. It's all the way back. Wind the cable. Hopefully she'll start first pull because it's leaking in the carburetor. Oh, she smoked. She's smoking. Hopefully something happens. This engine is really scary when it runs. It's like so loud. That's the reason why I got the head earmuffs on. So I've brought the BSA outside. Got a nice, lovely slow idle on the old deal. The fuel tap that I had originally on here leaked like a sieve, so I put another one on there. So I got the restart unload, so let's speed her up. She's going quite a bit faster now. Got a good running speed, I like it. Great engine. Right out the wood. Pretty aggressive today. Yeah, she's quite windy. Sorry about the wind. It's real bad. It's getting pretty hot. That's good. Shaking around a bit. the fuel tank can turn and he seems to fix that, so that's good. Shaking the ground a bit. Oh man. Exhaust is pretty hot. I need to make some kind of pipe that's taking the heat gases away. Or I could find a muffler. Either way. So I'm going to get ready to shut her down. Turn the fuel tap off. I don't like leaving fuel on the carburetor, especially on old engines like this. So I'll just open her up.
My pappy said, son, you're gonna drive me to drinking if you don't stop driving that hot rod Lincoln. Have you heard the story of the hot rod race where the Fords and Lincolns were setting the pace? That story is true, I'm here to say.